FixaPro Scratch Remover. Honestly, it's not quite what the ads make it out to be. The product promises to instantly erase scratches, swirl marks, stains, and even oxidation on any car, using some nanotechnology to give professional results at home. Sounds amazing on paper, but in reality, it's basically a very mild polish. It can slightly improve the look of very light surface marks, but don't expect it to fix anything deep. If your scratch goes past the clear coat, this won't rebuild your paint or make it disappear. The nanotechnology thing feels more like marketing jargon than an actual science-backed feature. One thing to note is that the effect is temporary. Wash your car, get it rained on, or leave it in the sun, and the minor improvement can fade pretty quickly. The before and after photos in their ads are a little misleading. They make deep scratches look like they vanish with one swipe, which definitely didn't happen. Also, be cautious of the sales tactics. There are a ton of 5-star reviews that aren't verifiable, countdown timers, limited stock warnings, and the product has been rebranded under different names before. It's more of a cosmetic polish than a real scratch repair solution. It won't replace a trip to a body shop, and deep scratches will still be there after you try it. If you just want to make very minor surface marks look a bit better for a short while, it'll do that, but don't expect magic.